discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Hey everybody, I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around of his system. Didn't really get a full walk around rundown of the equipment. Sorry about that, but I'll give you a quick little commentary on it before the demo. So these are 4 Sundown ZV3 18-inch subs, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure these are the 7500 watt RMS amplifiers from Sundown with 2 4-channel amps and 90 amp hours of lithium on 2 high output alternators. Quick little walk around I showed you. This is an older video back in 2021 Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina. I'm trying to finish up all of my older videos by the end of the year, and be sure to give them a like and comment what you like about a system. I like the motor force of these subs, even though they're a little bit of an older style motor from Sundown and being inverted with 4 18s is a lot of cone area inside of this like 3-to-1 ratio 4th order. During the demo, he got these coils really hot. I think he said over 300 degrees by the end of the demo, you'll see of how hot they were. And he gave me a great door open hair trick with my wife on the side, you'll see. So over 10,000 watts on 4 18-inch subs in this big ratio 4th order box we're getting a demo of now. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos and enjoy. Just like animals,
oh yeah. players still act this way. I keep begging you to stay like please don't love is a crime and I'm fucking your prison. Why would you want
Both doors open, hair tricking, man. That's crazy. How do you keep the pressure?
The only problem is it goes, like, it'll go from like 60, 70 degree boils to like 300 in like 10 seconds.
Man.
Like, it does it.
Yeah. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you for the demo, man. Have a fun day.